Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Douglas Elliman for New York City real estate, full guide step by step clearly. To start using Douglas Elliman for your New York City real estate needs, visit their official website. On the homepage, you'll find various options for buying, selling, and renting properties. Select the buy option to explore available listings. You can filter listings by neighborhood, price range, and property type. Once you find a property that interests you, click on the listing for detailed information. This page will provide you with photos, descriptions, and essential property details. If you're considering selling your property, navigate to the Sell section of the website. Here, you can request a property valuation. Fill out the online form with your property information to receive a professional assessment. For renters, select the Rent option to browse rental listings in your desired area. You can refine your search based on your budget and preferred amenities. After finding a potential rental, reach out to the listing agent directly via contact information provided. For personalized assistance, consider working with a Douglas Elliman agent. You can connect with an agent through the website by searching for an agent in your desired neighborhood. Once you've selected an agent, you can schedule a consultation. During your consultation, discuss your real estate goals and preferences. Your agent will help you navigate the market and find properties that meet your criteria. For additional insights, explore the Resources section on the Douglas Elliman website. This section offers valuable market reports and guides for buyers and sellers. Stay updated with the latest trends in various neighborhoods through their blog. If you prefer to communicate in person, visit a Douglas Elliman office near you. Meet with an agent to discuss your requirements and ask any questions you may have. Finally, remember to utilize Douglas Elliman's mobile app for on-the-go property searches. Download the app from your device's app store for easy access to listings and updates. Now you're ready to confidently start your journey in NYC real estate with Douglas Elliman. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.